Hi kids! Today we are going to learn animals and their home's name. So now let's write together. Dog. Dog lives in a kennel. Bear. Bear lives in a cave. Horse. Horse lives in a stable. Bird. Bird lives in a nest. Elephant. Elephant lives in a forest. Camel. Camel lives in a desert. Spider. Spider lives in a web. Panda. Panda lives in a bamboo forest. Parrot. Parrot lives in a cage. Cow. Cow lives in a shed. Hen. Hen lives in a coop. Sheep. Sheep lives in a pen. Lion and tiger lives in a den. Ant. Ant lives in a anthill. Monkey. Monkey lives in a tree. Fish. Fish lives in a water. Snake. Snake lives in a snake hole. Cat. Cat lives in a cattery. Dog. Dog lives near water and ponds. Bee. Bee lives in a hive. Giraffe. Giraffe lives in a savanna. Rabbit. Rabbit lives in a burrow.